In facilities, the problem that hurts you rarely warns you. So a piece of equipment starts to fail and you get to know very late. When we get to know, it already has become a firefighting for our team. MIRA is built so you can see this situation coming. It's a group of specialized agent who works for facility. So here you see that MIRA is on shift, also giving us the insights that SLA breach has been detected, the work order throughput. In the daily briefing, MIRA tell me that what are the top priorities for me today. So there are 28 overdue work orders. What are the critical things? What are the warnings? And what are the recommendations? So as I have 28 overdue tasks, she's considering that temporarily increasing workforce or redistributing the assignments will help me to get overcome with this overdue task. So this is the predictive insight that has SLA breaches, equipment health, safety risk. So all these predictions is being done by all the specialized agent, and Mira is correlating all these different patterns and different dots. When she checks all the patterns, when she joins all the dots, she comes to know that whether this is very critical or not. If it is critical, she will ask the human, she will ask the operational team to take the decision. These are the things where the margin leakage happens for a site. Instead of checking all the paperwork, all the WhatsApp messages and callings, operational team can check these approvals. We want to proceed with this decision or not. Mira is capable to communicate with your existing CAFM or CMMS system. So there is no rip and replace. This is the business impact. So here you see that MTTR industry average was 8 hours, wherein Mira has reduced it to under 2 hours. The reactive maintenance industry average is 70% and it has come down to 47%. And this is not a someday thing. Mira is live today. If you are running a few sites with a small team, this is what actually being on top of it looks like. And this